The American Autowire factory fit catalog contains thousands of original replacement General Motors wiring harnesses. This catalog is mostly geared toward factory correct restorations, but the first parts created back in 1987 were actually modified harnesses designed to allow owners of 1967 through 1969 Camaros to install console gauges in a vehicle that did not originally include them. These are called console gauge conversion harnesses. Conversion harnesses are needed for this type of swap because Camaros originally built without a gauge package would not have under dash feeds for an ammeter or console connections for temperature, fuel gauge, or a tachometer. In addition to lacking the dash connectors and wiring, non-gauge cars also need to modify and add some circuits under the hood to provide signals to the new instruments. The console conversion kit includes these wires as well as a water temperature sender wire with the correct ring terminal connection for a gauge sending unit. With the missing factory items filled in by the kit contents, a console, console gauge harness, and gauge set are all that's needed to add the rest of the stock parts to a Camaro in this year range. Correct replacement console gauge harnesses are also available in our factory fit line. These are fully assembled and make connecting to a stock style console gauge quick and easy. Each kit includes detailed instructions showing how to connect the new signal wires to the stock bulkhead both inside the engine compartment and under the dash.
If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel. You can also stay up to date with American Autowire by checking us out on Facebook, Car Buff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutowire.com.